NewSmart's payroll management system takes care of every aspect of a payroll management. It ensures complete adherence to all required local statutory obligations while ensuring accuracy and eliminating the complexity of a manual payroll process. Payroll system is well integrated with our attendance, leave, and expense management modules, thereby giving the added benefit of a one-stop solution experience for all HR needs. System also provides the flexibility to customize the reports according to each organization's need. This video will give you an insight into NewSmart's payroll management system. Under Payroll Master, we maintain all the statutory table like CPF table, fund contribution, all pay components, foreign worker levy, etc. These data are in compliance with MOM regulations. Any changes to these figures are also updated and maintained by NewSmart team. To run a payroll, go to Transaction tab and select Payroll from the list and navigate to Pay Batch and click on New. This will open a Pay Batch form. Select the subsidiary, the work calendar, pay batch, and the month in which you would like to run the payroll. On selecting the pay group, all the employees tagged to this group will be auto-populated under the Employee subtab. As a HR, you may override the list generated by system either by adding new employee or deleting an employee from the list. Click on Save to proceed. Executing payroll in our system requires us to follow a defined sequential process. The steps involved are easy to remember and execute. We begin by verifying the attendance data. Click on Attendance Verification. If you have opted for Attendance module, then system will automatically compute the overtime hours based on the clock in and the clock out of employees. System will also capture no pay leave that has been approved. Verify the records generated and click on Submit. If you notice, the system field on the right gives an update after successful completion of every stage in the payroll processing. The next step would be to add any variables. Here you will add your one-off payments that you give to your employees, example bonus, commissions, or any kind of allowances. Key in the amount against the employees under the required pay category and then click Submit. The next in process is the ad hoc. System will auto-generate transactions that are transferred to payroll from NetSuite or HRMS. Example, approved loan transactions from HRMS or approved expense claims from NetSuite financial account. Verify the details and click on Submit to proceed. The next stage after ad hoc is pay run. System will generate salary and all the payments that were added for employees. HR can also include any deductions like lateness deductions, advance deductions, or deductions of any form by selecting the Employee Pay Deductions tab. Enter the amount to be deducted against the employee and under the right pay category. Once done, click on Submit. System will process all the pay details including statutories. Once done, proceed to do the account posting. Account posting will link all the pay components to the respective GL codes that were tagged during the payroll setup. Once account posting is done, HR can release email payslips by clicking on Email Payslip button. Options to send emails to either all employees or just few employees are also allowed in the system. Email payslip is encrypted with password. Once pay run is complete, HR can generate bank file and upload. To do that, go to Transactions, Payroll, Bank file upload. Key in all the details and click on Submit. Once done, proceed to generate and download the bank file. Save the file in your system and upload it to the bank portal. To generate CPF file, navigate to Report, Payroll, CPF file generation. Key in the details for the fields and click on Generate file to download and save it in the system. Then upload the file in the CPF portal.